Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling and connecting the QuadCast so audio path is clean. Attach the shock mount and pop filter, orient the capsule so the logo faces you. Plug the supplied USB cable into the mic and into a stable USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port on your PC, avoid hubs. Once connected, open your operating system sound settings and set the HyperX QuadCast as the default input device. Then mute other microphones to prevent conflicts. Now configure how the mic captures sound so your recordings are balanced. Use the touch-sensitive polar pattern control to select cardioid for single-voice streaming. Switch to stereo or omnidirectional only when needed. In your DAW or system audio panel, set the sample rate to 48 kHz and choose 16 or 24-bit depth. Higher bit depth increases dynamic range. Adjust the onboard gain while monitoring levels. Aim for peaks between -12. Finish by verifying performance in real use so your audience hears you clearly. Plug headphones into the QuadCast jack and enable mic monitoring to eliminate latency surprises. Set a comfortable mix of input and playback. Run a test recording in your streaming or conferencing app. Keep the mic about 4 to 6 inches away and use the pop filter technique to reduce plosives. If you encounter noise or no signal, try a different USB port. Update drivers or reduce gain to prevent clipping and resolve common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.